my female viewers, if you want a strong, big body Jamaican man, look at him over there, so him single, you know. You see him big and strapping. You see how the Jamaican gentleman big. Look how he big. Ra! Yo, you think a joke?
Hold me, you see me?
Yeah. Accident almost happened, guys. Almost accident.
In the kitchen, no?
In the kitchen.
I'm pouring the rice.
So
now go and scale some fish and make sure them get vinegar off, and wanna tell me how you want them to be done, if you not Escovitch or steam or just fry dry.
Okay.
So either Escovitch fish,
Yeah.
steam fish, or we're just gonna have some fried fish.
you probably see me without shirt. Yo, hot 90 degrees right now in Jamaica, and we are up in the hills right now, guys. We are cooking dinner outside right now. The rain start fall, so right now, as you can see, you have to put the bit of zinc over the fire, over the pots. And right now you can see for yourself, guys. You see what's on the fire? We're doing 2 roast breadfruit. We're cooking akee and saltfish. And over there, so in the next pot, guys, we're cooking some kidney peas or red peas, because we're gonna be making some rice and peas for dinner also. In that, guy, you see in the pot right there, guys, that's the red peas and the garlic cooking together. You probably say, why is garlic in the rice? Why is there garlic in the peas? Because the garlic is gonna give it a nice flavor. So we're just cooking out everything together. Yep. And right there you see the Scotch bonnet and the thyme cooking together with the saltfish and the akee. Yeah, no joke about it, guys. And right now over here, you know, you probably say, why is the chef in his boxers? Guys, it is too hot. Bam! So right here you can see we got some nice snapper right here. I think it's about 3 pounder snapper. We're gonna be doing some Escovitch fish. We're gonna cook some chicken foot or steppers, but we're gonna leave these guys tomorrow because we're gonna be cooking some soup. And right here he's grater in his coconut. Grater, guys. Anybody can sponsor us a grater. Yo, leave a comment, link me up. You guys sponsor a grater, alright? Over here, so right here we got our little seasoning right here. Yeah. And over here we got our rice. We got some jasmine rice, some regular rice, pumpkin seasoning, oil, scallion, thyme, and all of those good stuff. And we got a bag of tang that we're gonna be using to make some drinks. What do you call it? Fruit punch. Yeah, no joke about it. So guys, the rain start fall. Yeah, the rain is falling crazy, guys. You see what we have to do? We have to hook up an umbrella right there and the pot underneath the zinc. So I'm gonna have to go underneath the cellar right now. No, I'm gonna get my bag of Guinness, guys. Are you come out of the tree? Eh? What? You still in the tree? Hold on. You're not afraid? You're not afraid to drop out of the tree and rain or fall? Viewers, look there, up there. Only in Jamaica you see this stuff, you know. My brother is in the guinea tree picking guinea and rain a fall. Yo, be careful, man. Yeah, come out now. Alright, just be careful. Yeah, just take your time, come out of the tree, bro. Take your time. My female viewers, if you want a strong, big body Jamaican man, look at him over there, so. Him single, you know. You see him big and strapping. You see how the Jamaican gentleman big. Look how he big. Ra! Yo, you think a joke? Look at these people. We got a sour sop right there. And look at this. We got a sweet potato and a cock soup. That's what we're gonna be using to make the soup, guys. But look at this. I'm gonna get my bag of guinea, because we're gonna be eating some guinea, guys, until dinner is ready. The rain start coming down very hard. So as you can see, I'm underneath a cellar, underneath my brother's cellar, sheltering from the rain. You can see the water running off my dainty body. Yeah, crazy. I didn't check the weather forecast this morning just to really have a heads up of the rain today, but it is what it is. You can see, guys, the food is being cooked. Yeah, right there. So my brother, I would have to take a fire. What's that? The akee and sausage. Nice. Nice, that's nice. Right, respect, nice. Hey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Run away. Yeah. So viewers, as I said, it is hot in Jamaica, so I don't have on a shirt. The chef don't have on a shirt, you know, in boxer. So see what's going on, my viewers. Look at this. See this? You see this? Inside of this guy right here. This is my crocus bag with guinea. Yeah. These are the guinea, guys. Those of you who don't know guinea, this is what guinea look like. Yeah, guinea. Yeah. So these guys are full, reach perfection. So this is how you heat a guinea, guys. You crack the shell. You can either bite on it with your teeth, or you can, you know, use both hands and pry open. Yeah. Take off that side. Throw away the shell. Take the flesh off the seed. This is the seed. Dispose of it. Let nature take its course. Maybe a couple weeks from now, you'll see a nice young baby guinea tree springing up. Yeah. But guys, look at that. The rain is falling like crazy. Yeah.
Okay, so peas,
You ready to try the peas that you cook? So they're ready. You're ready? Ah, nice. So guys, we test the rice, we test the peas to see if they're ready, so that we can add the rice. So the chef said they're ready. So we're gonna watch and see what's going on. So guys, you see this right here? This is the kitchen, you know. See the kitchen? Up in the hills. Real country cooking this, you know. You see the kitchen? Some of you are probably saying, no, you're not seeing right. Real, this is the kitchen, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, run with that. Yeah, you see?
Awesome. That was something right.
So guys, the rain ease up a little, so we remove the covering from over the fire side. So chef, so like how you put the coconut milk in the peas and the garlic. So what you gonna do? You're gonna let it cook for a couple minutes and
Yeah.
okay.
Let the coconut milk cook.
Okay.
Cook with the peas. We say put flavor up and up. And you put one pepper in like one piece of scallion and so called season up the pot and up to put in the rice, you know?
Okay. Nice. So guys, as you can see right there, just put the thyme, the escallion and the scotch bonnet in the pot. So that is it right there. I'm gonna put some oil in it. Yeah. So why you put oil in it, chef?
That means say pot not too burn, steam the rice.
You steam the rice, okay. Nice.
Bring up the flavor, you know?
Bring up the flavor.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see right there guys the breadfruit. These two breadfruits, they are already roast, so he's keeping them at the fireside to keep warm, so that when it's dinner time we can peel them.
Seasonal, so we're gonna get the rice washed.
Okay.
So through the pot they go and season up, we can get the rice ready, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you see these type of fires. You see these type of fireside, guys. Look at these type of fireside. Have you ever seen any fireside like this before? Look at it. Look at this massive, gigantic inferno. Look at this, guys. Some of you probably say, wow, that fire is too much for the rice and peas. This chef, when he's cooking rice and peas, no matter what type of fire it's on, he never burn the rice. Yeah. Look at that. Look at the bubble. Look at that. Beautiful. So Mr. Chef, is there a reason why even after the breadfruit finish roast, why you keep them close to the fireside?
Yeah, it's better when you eat it warm, because if you move it from the fireside, it go get cold and it's not too nice, because it was so the rain fall nice when it warm.
Okay.
So you know, keep it on the fire for it burn up, you keep it, make it go on like it a bake.
Okay.
So it warm.
Warm, okay.
Because breadfruit not nice when it cold, it's nice when it roast and fry.
Okay.
Warm.
Okay, I understand now.
So you keep them warm if you know say anybody eat them feel good.
So Mr. Chef, what are you doing right now?
Right now, I have to prepare fish them, because the akee and saltfish done I know, so I go and scale some fish and make sure them get vinegar off, and you tell me how you want them to be done, if you not Escovitch or steam or just fry dry.
Okay.
So either Escovitch fish,
Yeah.
steam fish, or we're just gonna have some fried fish.
Okay.
sealer.
Okay.
You know them kind of way, because we deal with fish many ways. Grill all fish too.
Yeah.
Grill fish, steam fish, fry fish, Escovitch fish, name it. So we're gonna do it anyhow. Curry it down or brown street down, or we just do it with a little coconut milk. So we're getting it prepared. We're getting out the fish gills and those stuff. So this is the gill of the fish. This is the fish. Many people eat it, but we don't eat it in Jamaica. This is the gill. We call it the fish gill. It come in the head. Many people eat it, but we don't eat it. We put it aside for other fish, or we just gave it to the dog.
Okay.
Or we throw it away, but we don't eat the fish gill. We take it out and we just scale it after we got it, you know?
I got you. So quick question, I see a bottle of red stripe beer right here. Are you planning to, is there a special reason or purpose why you have a bottle of red stripe beer right here?
You call it bill of vibes.
You call it bill of vibes?
Yeah, because you're there, yeah. When you're there at work, still you don't drink on the work, you know, that is bad for the job.
Okay.
But you know, when you're there home and you and the family, or you're gonna have a little work or someone come check you,
Okay.
you just can have a little red stripe in your fridge, or a six pack or a few more. And right now I'm just building a vice because I'm scaling a fish. So I would have a red stripe when I finish, because I'm sweating, you don't see my face, and the red stripe it cool you down in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so the red stripe is gonna cool me down when I finish scaling the fish.
Okay.
You see how I rest it? Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm getting there.
Wow. Okay, because I thought that you had some special purpose for the red stripe
most people
beer.
use the red stripe for grilling the chicken.
Okay.
But we're not doing any grilling of chicken today to spray it on it.
Okay.
This one is for cooling me down in the kitchen, you know?
Okay.
Because the fireside is hot like a furnace.
Okay.
Or a little glass of lemonade. You know, but the lemonade is not ready now, so I'm having a beer.
Okay.
So as I told them, I have to take the fish gill out. This is not good, you know?
Okay.
Clean that belly out, you know?
Okay. Hey. Hey, what you waiting on? You looking for fish?
Yeah, that is what he needs. He's waiting on the
Waiting
gills.
on the gills. Okay.
Yeah.
So he's waiting on the fish gills.
That is his dinner there.
Okay. Wow. That's amazing.
If you want to cook it up with a little corn meal, or if you want to give it the same way, you could fix a nice dog meal also.
Okay.
Because it's meat inside the gill also, you know?
Okay.
In the hills, natural, you know?
Up in the hills, natural.
Build up vibes and have a peace of mind.
Okay.
And you know, once you're okay, I'm okay, you know?
Yeah. Nice.
So we getting the fish prepared, because you know we're gonna know what you're gonna have them fry or what when you ready them up, you know?
Okay. So guys,
I'm gonna get the vinegar.
okay. So guys, you heard it for yourself. So as the chef is preparing the fish, I don't know if the next gentleman is gonna come, because he love to do Escovitch fish. So I don't know if Mr. Chef right here is gonna hand it over to him, or he's gonna do it, and we're gonna see how this thing gonna work out. You know, because we have two chefs up in the hills. Believe it or not, we have two chefs up in the hills. Both of them can cook really good. Yeah, no joke about it. So guys, stay tuned. He's scaling the fish, and he say right there he has a red stripe. He's gonna scale the fish, and he's gonna build a vibe after this. So you build a vibes. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Mom, morning.
We don't come back in last night.
Morning. What's it happening, you know? Yeah man, we take some of the rice and peas and some of the coffee and salt. So guys, as I said, we're gonna eat some. We're gonna eat the breadfruit, but I think the breadfruit is gonna go with the fish. So right now we're gonna eat some rice and peas, akee and saltfish for the first course, and then that's gonna be the second course. The pot. Yeah. You know you take one, man. You eat already first. So enough left here again. Yeah. That's good, man. That's good. Thank you. So this is it, guys. Yeah. Unbelievable. This is beautiful right here. Guys, nice. Rice and peas, akee and saltfish.
You're ready. You're fine. You want peas?
Beautiful.
You want sugar and peas? Sure, it's good. Very seasoned, yeah.
Beautiful. You good? Beautiful. Nice. Hot. Good, man.
No man, I'm eating up this. I'm okay. Respect.
That's food, it's good.
Man, come on, nice man. Beautiful. Guys, some peas, akee and akee and saltfish, guys. Beautiful. One chef finished cook the rice and peas, akee and saltfish. And we have a next chef over there. He's gonna be doing the Escovitch fish. Yeah. All the fish are nice. Look at that, guys. We're gonna be doing some Escovitch fish. Okay? Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Nice. And there are the roast breadfruits right there. Yeah. Beautiful. Alright guys, stay tuned. Let's see if I can finish it off this. And we'll see if we can do some Escovitch later. So Mr. Chef, what are you preparing right here?
Escovitch sauce. So it includes onion, scotch bonnet pepper, carrot, vinegar, and some oil to fry the fish to get the flavor.
Okay.
So now this boil a little bit, just cover it with the fishes
Okay.
and gives them nice flavor when eating it.
Okay, nice. It's coming over, you know.
Yeah, come man.
Yeah. Guys, I have to take off my shirt. It's hot. And guess what? The rain is coming again. Hear that, guys? I don't know if you can see it coming over the mountain over there, but it is coming over. Alright guys, we're gonna have to put back our zinc over our fire because the rain is coming down. Right? So guys, the rain is coming down, so I have to run for covers. The rain came down and it is pouring. Look at it. So chef, what you do? You went for seconds? Wow. No, I can't eat no more, man. I'm done. Yeah. And the next chef down there is making the pickling for the Escovitch fish. Yeah. Guys, I don't have any space in my stomach for nothing else, man. That's it. I'm here waiting on the next chef to finish the pickling, put on the fish, so that we can see what the Escovitch fish is like. I don't think I'm gonna eat none because, as I said, I'm full. We just had rice and peas, akee and saltfish. I thought that I was gonna be able to eat that off and have some Escovitch fish, but right now, guys, I am literally stuffed. Yeah, first chef, we went for seconds, but Mr. Chef down there, he's going for seconds, but this time he's eating Escovitch fish and rice and peas. Yeah, I don't know what this guy is up to. He look like he wants something to eat. Hey, let me see what the Escovitch fish look like. Fast it. You see? So guys, this is the Escovitch fish right here. You know, we have to run for cover because the rain started falling very hard. So this is it, guys. So we're gonna cover it up. I'm not gonna eat any because I am, as I said, I am full to the brim. I just had a big serving of rice and peas and akee and saltfish. So I'm not gonna force it, guys. Alright? Roast breadfruit right here. Rice and peas in the pot. And we got bread. But I am full. The chef right here is eating rice and peas and using some Escovitch fish right there. But I can't do no more. Thanks for Ian. I really appreciate it, man.
Welcome, come on.
Yeah. Thank you, Frass kid. Yeah. Puppy, what you doing? You good? Yeah. So guys, as you can see out there, the rain, out the fire. You know what that means, guys. The show is coming to an end. Alright? So, guys, we're gonna chill out underneath the cellar and just build our vibes. Alright? So, and until I see you on the next journey, my lovely viewers. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, press that post notification that you won't miss an epic video. Alright? And Manage Robinson TV. Alright guys? That's how we do it around here. So until I see you again on the next journey, be blessed, be safe, and have yourself a productive one.